Alright, welcome to some extra help on trying to solve an equation to find the value of an expression. So first off, just real quick, a couple quick definitions. An expression is this right here. These are a couple of terms without an equal sign. So the y minus 2 is the expression, and an equation is right over here. The equation has the equal sign in it. So that's the difference here. Y take away 2 is our expression, and negative 5y minus 4 is equals 6 is the equation. So in order to solve this problem, we are asked to find the value of y minus 2 given that negative 5y take away 4 is equal to 6. Well, if you thought the first thing that we should do is solve the equation and figure out what the value of y is and then find the value of y minus 2, you are correct. And that's what we are about to do. So here is our equation. Negative 5y take away 4 equals 6, and we are going to need to solve that first. So we will try to isolate the negative 5y. We need that by itself, if you remember. So the first thing we're going to have to do is add 4 to both sides. And that will leave us with a minus 5y by itself on the left-hand side of the equal sign. And on the right-hand side, we have 10. And if we finish this up with our final step, watch your signs here and you ask yourself the question, what is happening to the y? And you say, hey, it's being multiplied by negative 5. Well, the opposite of that is to divide both sides by negative 5. That leaves us with y on the left and a positive y, and that is equal to 10 divided by negative 5, an odd number of negatives. The answer is y is equal to negative 2. So we're not quite done with this problem, but you will see over here what is the value of y minus 2. Well, if y is negative 2 and we substitute that for this y, then we have negative 2 minus 2 is equal to negative 4. And this is in fact the answer to this problem. Negative 2 minus 2, if you recall, we can add the opposite and turn that into negative 2 plus negative 2. Answer to this is negative 4. Okay, so here's our final example. Find the value of 9x plus 10 given that 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. The 9x plus 10 is the expression, and the 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. That is the equation. Alright, so here's the sequence. First step, you're going to solve the equation, and then you're going to substitute the equation's answer into the expression. Alright, so if you'd like, you can hit the pause button and start this, and then see how you did, or simply let this play and follow along. Once again, we are trying to get our two x's by themselves. So first step, we are going to take 5 away from both sides of the equation to keep our equation in balance. And we are left with 2 x's on the left side. And on the right side now we have 9 minus 5, which gives us 4. And our final move, if the x is being multiplied by 2, we will undo that by dividing by 2. And here we go. X is equal to 2. That is our answer. And now we need to apply that to the expression. Okay, so I rewrote the expression. It's 9x plus 10. And now we are going to simply substitute. We're going to substitute the value of 2 into the 9x plus 10. So this becomes 9. And instead of x, we know x is 2, so it's 9 times 2 plus 10, 18 plus 10, and we are done. Our final answer to this is 28. And hopefully you can follow that. It was 9x plus 10 was the expression. We had figured out that x was equal to 2, and we did 9 times 2 plus 10, otherwise known as 18 plus 10, for a total of 28, and that looks good. Good luck as you make your way through these solving equations to find the value of an expression problems. Hope that helps.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.